case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a consequential ruling, the Kansas Supreme Court revived 2 felony murder charges against a defendant who had orchestrated a fire that led to the accidental deaths of his co-felons. In an operation gone awry, the defendant was reportedly hired by a Vietnamese woman to torch a building in Wichita, recruiting 3 others to carry out the scheme. As the accomplices ignited the structure, the resultant flames and smoke became too overpowering, leading to the unplanned casualties. The original trial court dismissed the charges on the grounds that the felony-murder statute, by their interpretation, could not be applied when the deceased are accomplices in the felony. Given that it predicates that any death which occurs during the commission of a forcible felony, such as arson, can be treated as first-degree murder, they ruled the statute did not apply to the accomplices. Challenging this ruling, the state pursued an appeal, maintaining that the statute was indeed applicable in this scenario. At the heart of the debate was the interpretation of the felony-murder rule. This rule posits that the intent to commit the preliminary felony is equivalent to malice and premeditation in the event a life is lost, even accidentally. Lending credence to the state's argument, the Supreme Court countered that no language within the statute explicitly exempted co-felons from its purview. They cited precedents where such fatal outcomes amongst co-felons during a felony resulted in the responsible party being charged with murder. The judges emphasized that while murder statutes must be strictly interpreted in the defendant's favor, this did not exclude the co-felons in question from being acknowledged as victims. The Supreme Court thus overturned the lower court's decision and ordered for further proceedings, effectively charging the defendant with the first-degree murder of his accomplices. The case continues to unravel as the court navigates this nuanced interpretation and application of the law.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class